When can I take money out of my IRA is a question people ask all the time. And there's mysteriously, people are confused. They think they can take it out when they retire or when they're old. You can have the money in your IRA tomorrow morning. If you open an IRA today and contribute money to it, the money's available tomorrow. The idea of an IRA is to build up money for your future. And so what the government has done, besides all the tax benefits they give you, is they do give you a little encouragement to hold it for your future. What is your future? The Congress had to come up with a number. And so they said your future is when you're 59 and a half. So when you're 59 and a half, you can have the money without any penalty. Before 59 and a half, it's considered an early distribution, and there's a small 10% penalty. If you need the money, the 10% penalty isn't bad. The money is always available to you in your IRA.